So we started the routine phase last summer, so we have been almost complete in the first year of the 5-year lasting survey. And actually Gaia should be a very boring mission in a way. We should just scan the sky the same way on and on again, and that's what we have been doing. And we have collected incredible amount of data already. So we have more than 200 billion astrometric measurements. We have 45 billion photometric measurements, and we have 4.4 billion spectra. So Gaia has been extremely busy. So the Gaia data is being first collected on board, and then it will send to ground station. And it's already a big thing because the internet speed, if you may call so, in the space is not that impressive. So it's a major effort to get everything down, and we get it through the ground stations first to Darmstadt in Germany, where it is transferred to Spain for the initial data treatment. And from there it is spread all over Europe because we have special groups, special data processing centers in various places, various countries. We need all of them to process the data simply because of the problem of quantity of the data. One of the characteristics of the Gaia mission is that we need to collect a lot of data as we are processing it simultaneously. So we cannot just observe and release, observe and release. We have to first get the basic set of data. So current schedule is that the first data release is anticipated summer 16. The basic scientific driver of Gaia is the Milky Way, its structure, its history, how it was formed, and where it is developing further. But from those science goals, the scientific requirements are such that the satellite can do something in almost all fields of astronomy. So that's why we have a high expectations by the scientific community to use the satellite data. So I was just mentioning that the first intermediate release of Gaia is you have to wait till summer 16. But the truth is that we actually have already started to release Gaia data, and that we are doing in the form of science alerts. So these are specific stream of data what is constructed with the idea that if we don't alert the community of the data of the transient phenomena on the sky now, we will lose science. So a typical example are supernovae. So if you don't observe them when at the brightest, then you will lose them. So we started already 1 year ago with science alerts, and the very first one was a supernova discovered by Gaia. And ever since, this stream has been producing alerts for the community, and they are open for everyone to follow it up with ground-based telescopes.